Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thanks for tuning in. Today's video is going to be an eyebrow routine video. The last one was like forever ago in 2015, and in all honesty, a lot has changed since then. For one, I no longer define or conceal the top of my brows, and then I've been enjoying my brows in two different ways now, like soft and bold. So sometimes I want them really soft and subtle, sometimes I want them a lot more like defined and bold. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do both. I have very sparse brows, and in all honesty everyone can learn from this video, but then I'm sure that people who have sparse brows like me, they're going to enjoy it and like appreciate it a lot more, because it's a lot of the eyebrow tutorials that you would see here on YouTube, the people who you would see doing it, like especially the ones that I tend to like, their brows are always very thick and full. Mine aren't. So if you're like me, you're probably going to enjoy this video. So on the days that I want my brows to be really soft, I go in with my Yanga Beauty Browlution brow pencil. And the reason why I love this brow pencil for this is because it's like a light to medium brown pencil. Light to medium brown. I almost thought I said light to medium brow pencil. It gives you control when you want your brows to be really soft, because you don't get a lot of color payoff at first. So it takes, hold on, let me show you guys. So you guys can see it takes like this much back and forth for you to get something like this. And this is literally the opposite of what you get with the other brow pencil that I'll be using later on for the stronger brows in this video. So I'm just going to start out by combing my brows upwards. So I'm going to start filling my brows in with very short strokes. So you guys can see that I've used really light strokes to kind of fill the brows in. Okay, so the next thing that I like to do after that is to go in with this product here. So this is an eyeshadow primer slash color corrector. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil, and I'm going to use this to define my brows. And the reason why I like to use this is because it's not a concealer, but then it gives me the highlight that I need without doing too much. So swatched, it looks like this. It's also really easy to blend this out. So what I like to do first is that I like to draw a line under my brows, just kind of following the shape of the brows. I'll be going in with my MAC 266 angled brush, and I'm going to use it to take a little bit of the pencil that I just applied. So I'm basically just going to use this to smooth this line out, just like you would do when you apply a concealer. To finish everything up, I like to go in with my NYX Control Freak brow gel. It looks like this, and I'm going to use this to just kind of brush the brows upwards. And this is what they look like up close. So on days where I want to go for darker, more defined brows, I like to go in with my Colourpop brow pencil in Bangin Brunette. This brow pencil is so soft, and like a little goes a long way. So like just with one swipe, you guys can see what I'm coming off with. So I'm just going to start filling my brows in the way that I fill them the first time, with short strokes. This time around, I'm going to go in with a concealer, and this is my MAC Studio Finish concealer in Studio Finish, right? Yeah, Studio Finish concealer in NW40. So to blend the concealer out, I'm going to go in with a short blending brush. My eyes are not so big, so I like to go in with something like this, short, narrow, slightly fluffy, and this is just going to help me go into this area here, blend the concealer out without messing up the rest of the colors that I have on my eyes. To finish up this time around, I like to go in with a matte powder. This is my translucent powder. You can use any matte light colored eyeshadow for this, and I'm going to use this to set the concealer that I've just applied. So going in with the same brow gel that I used earlier. So this is what they look like up close. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to thumbs it up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Follow me on Instagram is Dimma Umeh, and Twitter is Dimma Umeh as well. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.